turning the crude earth to a stiff sea of dross that blend in the wind. So are his days spent, his spittled mirth rarer than the sun that cracks the cheeks of the gaunt sky, perhaps once in a week. And then at night, see him fixed in his chair motionless, except when he leans to God in the fire. There is something frightening in the vacancy of his mind. His clothes sour with years of sweat and animal contact, shock the refined but affected sense with their stark naturalness. Yet this is your prototype, who season by season, against siege of rain and the wind's attrition, preserves his stock, an impregnable fortress, not to be stormed even in death's confusion. Remember him then, for he too is a winner of wars, enduring like a tree under the curious stars. Song for Gwydion. When I was a child and the soft flesh was forming quietly as snow on the bare boughs of burn, my father brought me trout from the green river, from whose chill lips the water song had flown. Dull grew their eyes, the beautiful blithe garland of stipples faded as light shocked the brain. They were the first sweet sacrifice I tasted, a young god, ignorant of the blood stain. The hill farmer speaks. I am the farmer, stripped of love and thought and grace by the land's hardness. But what I am saying over the fields' desolate acres, rough with dew, is listen, listen. I am a man like you. The wind goes over the hill pastures,